Good morning, my name is Beth Wheeler, and I'm here to help you to register for your instructor's course. Your instructor is Jeff Lund, and he's teaching your Business 102 course for Front Range Community College. So let me show you how to log into eWolf and register for that class. You have it on your high school schedule, but you also need to log into your eWolf account. You see I'm on the Front Range homepage right now, and you're going to have to go there. Please, www.frontrange.edu, and click on eWolf. So what I was just explaining to you a minute ago, I'm waiting for the computer to load my next page, is that it's on your high school schedule, but you also need to register for the course. So give me just a second. It automatically popped me into my eWolf account, and I want to show you how to log in. So sorry about that. Hopefully it won't do that again. I have a bad feeling it's going to. Good, it didn't. All right, so this is the eWolf login portal, and logging into eWolf helps you to do many things. You can add courses when you want to start a new semester at Front Range. You can get access to your Front Range student email account, which is actually a CCCS email account. The Colorado Community College System is an organization that Front Range belongs to, and the system helps to guide a lot of community colleges in the state. So what you're going to do is you need to have an S number. If you don't have an S number, that means you have an extra step to do before you even get to this eWolf part. You have to go back to the Front Range homepage and actually apply to Front Range and be admitted as a student. So hopefully you have your S number already. If you don't, I'll give you some contact information at the end of this video so you can get some assistance with that enrollment, or that application, I should say. If you have logged into eWolf before, you have reset your password. If you've forgotten that password, you can reset it again. If this is the first time you're logging into eWolf, you see the instructions for your initial login. And the system will prompt you to add a new password after you do that initial login. So let me go ahead and add my very long password, which I'm not having luck at entering. So give me a second to focus. All right, let's go. So you're going to get logged in to eWolf, and you're going to look under Student Tools, and you're going to click on Add Drop Class. When the Add Drop Class page loads, it's going to ask you which semester are you enrolling for. So you'll see that your only two selections are summer, which is over, and fall. So select fall, click Submit. And then on this page, you're going to enter a 5-digit number called a CRN. I'm going to give you that number right now. So the course you're taking with Mr. Lund is Entrepreneurial Operations, Business 102. And the number you need to enter, this 5-digit number, is 55203. So let me go back to the website, 55203. Once you enter that in, you're going to click Submit Changes, and then a new page will load and show you that you're enrolled for the course. Double check that it is Business 102. Mr. Lund's name should be listed next to it. So make sure all of that's accurate. And once you're done with that, you're enrolled. And you can sign out of eWolf, and you're ready to go for the semester. You also see that at the top here, there are some instructions for how to add this course, but I think I've just shown you. And if you have any questions, you can contact me. My name is Beth Wheeler. My number at Front Range is 303-678-3725. You can also contact our student services coordinator, Jamie Bertrand. Her number is 303-678-3764. All right, we wish you well. Have a great semester with Mr. Lund, and take care.